The foldable future. Will laptops become obsolete? Are foldable devices the next big thing, or just a fleeting fad? Let's dive into the potential of foldable technology and explore whether it could truly replace our trusty laptops. Foldable devices have captured our imagination with their innovative designs. They promise the portability of a smartphone with the screen real estate of a tablet. This technology is still relatively new, but it's rapidly evolving. We're seeing improvements in screen durability, hinge mechanisms, and software optimization. Foldable devices offer a unique blend of portability and productivity. Imagine having a large screen for multitasking that folds down to fit in your pocket. The immersive viewing experience is another key advantage. Watching videos, playing games, or browsing the web becomes much more engaging on a larger, foldable display. Foldables also encourage creativity. Artists and designers can benefit from the larger canvas for sketching and drawing. Despite their potential, foldable devices still face some challenges. Durability remains a major concern, as the folding screen is more susceptible to damage. The crease in the middle of the screen can be distracting for some users. Manufacturers are working to minimize this, but it's still a noticeable issue. Software optimization is another area that needs improvement. Apps need to be designed to take full advantage of the foldable form factor. The price point is also a significant barrier to entry. Foldable devices are currently much more expensive than traditional smartphones or laptops. Laptops have been a staple of productivity for decades. They offer a comfortable keyboard, a large screen, and powerful processing capabilities. The established ecosystem of software and accessories is a major advantage for laptops. There's a wide range of applications and peripherals designed specifically for laptop use. Laptops also offer better thermal management than foldable devices. This allows them to handle demanding tasks without overheating. It's unlikely that foldable devices will completely replace laptops in the near future. Laptops still offer a superior experience for many tasks, especially those requiring extensive typing or processing power. However, foldable devices could carve out a niche for users who prioritize portability and versatility. They could become a popular choice for content consumption, light productivity, and creative tasks. We may see a convergence of these two form factors in the future. Laptops could adopt foldable screens, offering the best of both worlds. Ultimately, the success of foldable devices will depend on continued innovation and price reductions. As the technology matures, it could become a more compelling alternative to traditional laptops. The future of computing is constantly evolving. Foldable devices represent an exciting step forward, but they're not a replacement for everything. Laptops will continue to be relevant for many years to come. The key is to embrace the evolution of technology and choose the device that best suits your needs. What are your thoughts on foldable devices? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech insights. Click the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next video. Share this video with your friends and family, and let them know about the future of foldable devices.